Have you ever wondered why a salamander can grow back a lost leg, but humans can't even regrow a fingertip? It feels almost unfair. Across the animal kingdom, some creatures rebuild what's gone as if nothing happened, while others are left with scars that never fade. What separates those that regenerate from those that can only heal? In nature, loss and renewal exist side by side. Forests burn, then return greener than before. Rivers carve through rock, reshape landscapes, and begin again. Life seems to carry an unspoken rule: what is lost must find a way to return. But when we look closer at animals, that rule suddenly becomes selective. A starfish can regrow its arms. A lizard can form a new tail. Some worms can even rebuild their entire bodies from a single slice. It seems like a rare biological miracle, but regeneration isn't magic, it's machinery. Hidden inside every cell lies the potential for renewal. It's only a matter of which species learn to unlock it. To understand why, we need to look deeper into what actually happens when a limb grows back, and why only a few animals have mastered this ability. When a salamander loses a limb, the wound doesn't close with a scar as ours would. Instead, the cells at the site reorganize within hours. Rather than sealing the damage, they form a structure called a blastema, a small mound of cells that behaves like those found in an embryo. These cells still remember how to become everything: bone, skin, cartilage, and nerve. From here, the process of rebuilding begins. Inside this blastema, a controlled transformation unfolds. The existing cells begin to de-differentiate, reverting to a younger, flexible state. With the right signals, they then reassemble into a new, fully functional limb. It's a kind of biological reverse engineering. In humans, though, the response is different. Our priority is speed. Seal the wound, prevent infection, survive. The result is a scar. A quick fix that sacrifices regeneration for protection. What's surprising is that the genetic instructions for regeneration still exist inside us. They just remain silent. At some point in evolution, mammals traded long repair times for fast recovery. A decision shaped perhaps by predators, resources, and survival pressures. Still, traces of this ancient ability linger. Young children can sometimes regrow the tips of their fingers. The human liver can rebuild most of its lost mass. Even our skin renews constantly. Regeneration isn't gone. It's simply restrained, as though the system is on pause. That pause may not be random. Some scientists think it's a defense mechanism. Regeneration requires rapid cell division and flexible identities. Processes that, if uncontrolled, resemble cancer. Evolution might have chosen safety over renewal. Better a scar than a tumor. Modern biology is now trying to cross that line consciously. By studying how salamanders, planarians, and other regenerators work, scientists aim to awaken dormant programs in us. Genes, electrical signals, and chemical gradients are being mapped to understand how they guide new growth. The hope isn't science fiction, it's medicine. The same principles that let a salamander rebuild a limb could one day help humans restore nerves after spinal injuries, or regrow complex tissues after trauma. Regeneration might become a tool we relearn, not an ability we evolve anew. In a way, it reminds us that renewal is never truly lost, only hidden. The power to begin again, to repair and reshape, lies deep within the same biology that built us once before. And maybe that's the quiet message behind regeneration. Life never stops trying to fix what's broken. It only forgets how, until we learn to remind it.